Mwena wa archives guku mucii munene wa Nairobi nikuo mihango ya kuheana thakame kuma kuri Akenya iratafanio ni gikundi kia ushirika organizing council. Kurigana na muikariri giti wa Ngwataniro ino Daniel Marube matacukite ikinya riri mbere ya gukungwira muthi wa mathothaiti tariki 2 mweri wa mugwanja na njira ya guteithiriria ruhonge rwa kurogota thakame guku bururi-ini KNBTS kuhingia unit iria mafataraga o mwaka.
We have come here in conjunction, in partnership with Nairobi National Hospital, Red Cross, so that we can boost the demand of blood that is required in this country.
O mwaka ruhonge rwa kurogota thakame rufataraga uniti 500 ona gutwika rutihotaga gukinyia gikiro giki mwaka mwituku ariguo ruhonge ruru rwarogotire uniti nyingi ari uniti 248.
We have come together as cooperators to show concern for our neighbors, for our people, our brothers who are in the hospital, by sacrificing to donate blood so that we can support those our brothers and sisters who are in pain.
Akenya nimahoetwo guthii kuheana thakame. Ngwataniro ino igitanya kurogota uniti 1500 ihindini ria thiku 3 iria megukorwo magitafania mihango ino.
We have invited the members of the public to come and donate blood so that we can support our brothers and sisters and our children who are in hospitals.
Girifotera Kameme TV, Retorokoni Wajiru, Waforo.